Y'all want to see something? Mm-hmm. Look how beautiful that's looking. Give it a turn. Give it that model turn. Come on now. Yeah, baby. All right, so now we got our ingredients to do up this Mediterranean-inspired chicken. We got our lemons, of course. We got some avocado oil for our fat. And for our seasons here, we got them laid out. We got mustard powder, kosher salt, basil leaves, black pepper, onion powder, oregano leaves, thyme leaves, and garlic powder. All right, let's get into it and get this going. All right, let's get us some zest going first before we cut up these lemons. Ooh, I smell it. That oil that comes from the zest, that's what make your ingredients pop. You see all that? So I got 2 small lemons here, so I'm just gonna squeeze both of them. All right, we're gonna eyeball this avocado oil, 2.5 tablespoons. And we got the kosher salt, the diamond crystal. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. So 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of thyme. Take your time. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. They probably like, stop clowning, y'all. We're trying to get the directions. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of basil. Just gonna eyeball this mustard powder. That's about a teaspoon. And we got our black pepper and a healthy teaspoon of that. All right, we're gonna get it all mixed up and put it on our chicken. Sell this marinade, boy. This is 6.5 pounds. This is a baby turkey almost. So throw that away. We don't need that. And what else we don't need? What? Ooh, we don't need that either. And how we gonna cook this, y'all? We gonna spatchcock it, or some of y'all say butterfly. Whatever it is, we taking the back out. How about that? Get you some chicken shears. Cut right through this. See right here, boy. Right there. Get that back out. Mm-hmm. That's how your granddaddy talk to you. Come on. Boy, why are you cutting it wrong? Yeah. It's not animal cruelty. It's already dead. Cut some little pieces off here. All right, let's get ready to get our marinade. Yeah. All right. That's it. And then we just gonna throw it up in there. Let's get messy. Yeah. Massage. We're gonna go up under there and everything. Up under the skin. See, that's when you know it's gonna be good. When you be like, oh, it smells good already. All right. Let's get all up in the inside here. So we're gonna have it all down up in the meat and everything. It ain't just gonna be skin deep. See all that? See, get it all up in there too. Yeah. Oh yeah. This chicken a massage, baby. I'm loving on this chicken. Yeah. Ooh, it's a family show. Let that sit overnight. 24 hours. No, this overnight. About 16 hours. Get up early in the morning and make this up. Have us a good time. Have some good chicken for Sunday. Might share some. I don't know. All depends on how good it is. When it's good, we don't share it. All right, see y'all in the morning. Boy, they gonna think we insane. What's the temperature out here, y'all? It's 11 degrees. Feels like -1. Ooh. Just like that. I want fat side down first. We ain't gonna waste none of this marinade. So in about an hour, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. We're gonna just keep it cooking. We're going at 250 degrees. Let's close her up. I got a mixture. I got hickory and apple on this bad lemon herb chicken today. It ain't too bad. The sun is out. Y'all probably look like, man, this man crazy. My neighbors probably too. Y'all wanna see something? Let's give it a flippity flip. Look how beautiful that's looking. Give it a turn. Give it that model turn. Come on now. Yeah, baby. All right, about another hour, we're gonna be eating. It's done, son. Ooh, so tender, coming apart already. Delicious. Let's go eat, y'all. Ooh, got it inside, y'all. Just waiting for it to cool down. Ooh, look at all that just natural juice. And look, this here could just come loose by itself. It's that tender. Yes. See, that's easy there. Oh, it's so tender. You know what? Right down the middle with this breast. Ooh. That's called just a quick butcher. We're gonna try it with that. So we ain't gonna cheat with the dark meat. So the question is, can you barbecue in the cold? Yes, you can. I showed y'all, as the kids say, no cap. 11 degrees, -1 degrees on the feel like temperature. You can do it. The sun was out a little bit. Of course, it's cold, but make sure you got a lot of passion. You gotta be a little crazy like me. So back to this chicken though. Ooh, look how moist that is. Look how. Ooh. And that's how you gotta judge your chicken. You gotta say, well, people say, well, how the breast tastes. I feel like being like Jerome in Purple Rain. Man, flavor all the way down in there. This works, y'all. And it was super easy to do. Y'all saw that. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna be right back at you with another cooking video. And we're gonna cook up something good. I'm about to go eat some dinner.